Morning, all. Something important. I'm glad I thought of this when I woke up this morning. I'm on my way to work, and I got to talk about when it comes. Brad with Pro Painter here, and I wanted to let everybody know that I got to have a series of safety. So we're going to talk a little bit about safety real quickly here as I'm headed to work. I'm going to have several safety topics that I think are really important. So I just needed to talk about this briefly, but okay, so I'll give one pro tip. Painting behind your outlet trim covers. It's the right thing to do, but I never encourage anyone to remove any kind of electrical trim cover, trim plate for your outlets, your switches, or any of that, unless the circuit is de-energized. You can really get hurt with that kind of power, with that with that kind of alternating current in a home. It can hurt you. It's dangerous, and I discourage anybody from opening up a live energized circuit of any kind. I just wanted, if I were to promote do-it-yourself painting and on the internet, I want to make sure that everybody's safe. So something came to me to express safety, and I'm going to incorporate that into the things that I teach, making sure that nobody's going to hurt themselves. So I thought that was important, and I wanted to make sure that there's a testing tool to make sure that circuits are turned off at the panel if you ever have to remove all the plates in a room to do your painting on your home. And I'm going to get that information and make a detailed video about it. But there's many other topics of safety that I would like to cover too. So today is Pro Painter Safety Day. I'm going to begin talking more about those different topics. But otherwise, you all have a good day, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Take care. Keep her tight.